Doing? Do your head. Show it to Blake. Say, okay, now your turn, Blake. Can you do it? Good job. She's trying to do it just like you. Okay, now Connor, you do it again. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, your turn, Blake. Boop, 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 boop. Good job. Yay. Say good job, Blake. She's saying hi, I think. Okay, Connor, what did you do this morning? Did you play soccer?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah. No way, guy.
What?
No way.